Hello, Standard 7th. Welcome to English class by Mamta Shetty. We are going for the second topic, that is 1.2 Unit 1, second chapter, Odd One In. This is a lesson by Titi Tawora. From this Odd One In is a book, story book. Out of that a few paragraph is taken and we are going to go through this lesson. In this chapter, two main character is very important, that is Malti and Rima. So let's start with the chapter. As you go on reading, I'll explain you out. So we are going to start with the chapter. 1.2 Odd One In. So, how was the first day of the school? Rima's mom is asking her when they are having their dinner. Okay, Rima shrugged. No lessons, just settling in. So she is answering that nothing is taken. Shrug means to ignoring, not important. She is just giving, not giving so important to the question asked by her mother. Yes, you can see here mother and the daughter having a conversation on a dining table. Any new girl in your class? Inquired her father, Mr. Sen. Only one, Malti, and she is funny, grimaced Rima as she helped herself to the salad. While having a dinner, we have salad also. So, and she is not happy. She makes an ugly face and she says, "Why do you say that?" asked Mr. Sen. "She can't speak much English. She has come from another state," sniffed Rima, naming one at the other end of the country. So what's saying, she cannot speak English, yeah, and she acting very differently, right? Sniffed, the meaning is given. Oh, children from that state are supposed to be clever. They are specially good at maths, said Mr. Sen. That is, the father is saying. Well, this one does not seem smart at all. Oily hair, bindi and all. Good morning, teachuru. Mimicked Rima. Mimicked means she's teasing. She's trying to intimate whatever this new girl has told. Yeah, good morning. Now see, her parents are not happy with this dialogue. Her parents exchanged glances. Rima was their only child. They doted, they loved her, but she could be insufferable at times. Insufferable means she is not ready to accept, right? Unbearable, you can say. She was not ready to accept the new child. Now, I do hope you and your friends will not make things too difficult for Malti, sighed Mr. Sen as he rose from the table. His dinner finished. Rima and her gang decided to do just that. So father is warning the girl that you should not trouble her. Now next morning what happened? The minute Malti enters the class, they all chorus, this all group of Rima, they say, "Good morning." They are teasing, huh? See, actually it is good morning. She is saying good morning. Poor Malti, she did not realize that they were making fun of her. She happily beamed back at them and replied, "Good morning," right? Beam very happily she says them. She thought that they are wishing her, so she also is. Shahnaz giggled. "Why do you put so much oil on your hair?" she asked rudely. Malti looked offended but did not reply. "And the skirt, so long," said Clara catchily. Very meanly she saying, "Why your skirt is so long?" And they started laughing, giving a silly laugh they were saying. Right? Malti did not say anything to that also. Malti flushed. She was very angry. Her face became red, but she did not reply. Let's see what happened. She was about to say something when the teacher entered. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see that Malti raised her hand whenever teacher asked a question. "Yes, Malti, you answered," said teacher. And Malti answered correctly. And teacher nodded in appreciation. Teacher also liked this. Malti could answer all the questions, right? When Rima recounted, means when she went home and she spoke about this to her mother told, "Sounds like a clever girl." Yes, the mother also gave a appreciation, like yes. So what Rima is saying here, uncharitably, what is the use? Her English is so atrocious. So it means that way she talks, it shows that she is not having a good opinion about the newcomer Malti, right? The same may be said about your Hindi. Even the father, Mr. Sen, he also sharply says he was getting quite sick, very unhappy about Rima's attitude, about Rima's behavior, about Rima's thinking. He was not happy. Even Mr. Sen did not like it. That night, what happened after the dinner? Rima's parents discussed this matter. What was that matter? We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. They were very unhappy with the behavior of whose? Rimas, yes, because they did not like it. Now let's see what happened. Huh? The following Saturday was an inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for which Hindi song category. So what she teased, oily plaid sings also. She said suddenly to Clara. Clara, they were a group of 4-5 girls, right? So in the nasty way, not in a well-wishing way, they start. Croak, you mean giggle, croak. So Clara is saying croak. Croak means she may not be able to sing. She will be just croaking up. They were proved to be wrong. Why? Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and a well-trained voice. Rima and her gang, they had decided to make fun of her. Jeer means to fun of her when Malti sang. But there was such an absolute silence. Why? Because everyone were dazzled by the song. They did not dare to. And then Rima and her friends did not do anything. They were sure to get caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping, and then all the teachers and the students also clapped. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize, and Rima also got the first prize, but she was not very happy. Why? Because she came first in English song. She was more jealous that Malti got the prize. As the term progressed, it was evidently clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared, she did very good in the sports as well as in study, and her strong point was mathematics. 40 means mathematics was her strong point, one of the excellent point in her. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and a nimble brain. Belied means it failed to give a true impression. Everyone thought that she was in a simple way, so she must not be good. But no, she was very smart. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics, help which she readily and cheerfully gave. The teachers had liked the respectfully intelligent girl from the beginning. Now the girls from the class also befriended. Everyone became friends with her. Why? Because she was good, she was helping, she was ready to help. She never snobly disparaged other girls. Now see Rima and her clique though, and this group, Rima and her group, were never good to her. They always made fun of her. They stubbornly disliked Malti. They were stylish lot and nothing that Malti could alter the fact she was not that type. They felt that Malti is not our type. You can see them in a stylish way. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English, because they knew other all point Malti was very clever, but she was bad at English. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said "ux" instead of ask. She was on the tip of crying. See Malti, right? Why? Because they started teasing. Why? Because she could not say ask, she said ask. Her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak, yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? So she is ready, she is asking that. Will you help me out or what? Right? So what this Rima replying, Meta, I'll just pause it up. I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English isn't easy for your countrified types. So she's just, what do you say, insulting her. Countrified means unsophisticated types. And just insulted whom? Rima, what she do? She insulted Malti. Let's see now what happens. And then Malti's face, now see exaggerated, worst in reality. And Malti's face, what it happens? Malti's face turns red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right word. She burst into tears and ran off. She was very insulted. She could not tolerate it. And she left this place and she ran away from this. Now Shahana, the friend of whose Rima, that was horrid. They also did not like that Rima is not behaving properly. Yes, even Neha and Clara also agreed to it. That no, you have to agree, means you have to behave properly. Rima was shocked. Why? Because her friends had stood up. They were against her. And Rima walked out from there. walked off in a huff, means angry. Now Mr. Sen, he found her snubbed. What happened during the lunch time? What happens here? Now Mrs. Sen, he and Mr. both, they found that she is very quiet, and they decided that we will not ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly, but she was very proud. She was not ready to accept it even to herself. Here we end this chapter. In the next session, we are going to see the exercise. But before that, read this chapter. It's a very inspiring story between the two girls, that is Malti and Rima. Thank you.